Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Austin's Pocket of Fun. In this episode, we are going to be reviewing fidgets. First fidget we are going to be reviewing is this green square poppet. Let's hear the pops. They're not as good as the rest of my poppets, because I'm still popping it. Not good. This side's not that good. This side is a little bit better. But anyway, next one is this Among Us puppet. Dun, dun, dun. Wait. That was the pop side. It's not actually that good. But well, it is good, but the pop side is good, but this side is not. Next we have this, I would say, Galaxy Ocean or Electric Ocean. Now, oh, I missed a bit. That was the pop side, but yeah, that side's not that good anyway. Now, next we have this fidget spinner poppet. Let's see how good these pops are. Again, not that good. The other side is worse. Anyway, now this squishy, if you can see it properly, focus on it. Why is my camera not focusing that one? Anyway, guys, ignore that bit. Look. Fast fighting. Right, now, last and final one. I would think this is an old Infinity Cube, because look, I would rate it 5 out of 10. I would rate it, and this one I would rate let's see, 4 out of 10. This one 10 out of 10 because it's fast rising and very squishy. My Among Us puppet, 10 out of 10. Fidget spinner, I would rate it 9 out of 10, yeah. And this, 1 out of 10. Right. Anyway, this is it for this video, guys. And make sure you like and subscribe, and keep the notifications on. And stay safe. Bye, guys.